If you are looking to discover a new hobby, metal detectors can be a lot of fun. After all, it provides the allure of treasure hunting with the potential to find riches. However, detectors also have a practical use, as they can allow you to pick up discarded nails and screws, or help you locate an important relic that you buried a long time ago. Today, there are so many metal detectors that are specifically designed to find certain things, such as gold coins, silver coins, jewelry, relics, and much more. The best metal detectors have features such as sound tones for different metals, simple controls, a lightweight design, and waterproof detection coils to simplify relic hunting. After hours of research and after taking experts' advice, we've listed the 8 best metal detectors to help you choose the one that suits you perfectly. The links for the products mentioned in the video are in the description below. You can also find a more detailed analysis and a comparison tool on our website, pickadvisor.com. Let's get right into our top picks. Number 8. Bounty Hunter TK4. The Bounty Hunter Tracker 4 metal detector is a rugged detector that is ideal for detecting treasure in extreme ground conditions. It features a motion, all-metal mode discrimination and a 2-tone audio mode that aids in the detection of all types of metal. It features disc and notch check that distinguishes between targets and unwanted metal. This is the best metal detector for depth. It can detect dime-sized targets up to 6 inches deep and larger targets up to 2 meters. As the best metal detector that detects the presence of all metals including gold, silver, brass, aluminum, iron, and steel, it offers an 8-inch waterproof search coil that allows you to hunt underwater. The length is also adjustable to fit your height, provides an easy-to-use knob control interface that allows you to maximize detection depths with power and sensitivity control. Number 7. Panky Metal Detector. As one of the most popular metal detector brands on the market, Panky has a proven track record of producing great detectors. This model has an adjustable stem and armrest to ensure comfort during your search. The anti-slip grip prevents it from slipping in your hand, even when you're sweating. And a backpack bag is included to make it easier to carry around. The search coil on this model is 10 inches in diameter, giving you a large detection area to cover. It's also waterproof and submersible. However, remember that only the coil is waterproof, not the control box. As such, you should stick to shallow waters when using this detector. The waterproof coil can also be washed easily, allowing you to keep it in top condition. As for features, the Panky comes with 5 preset search modes, which makes it easy to find different types of metals. For example, the jewelry mode is great for finding jewelry, coins, and other small items. Additionally, the DSP chip helps to find targets up to 10 inches deep. Number 6. MLAB Metal Detector. Looking for a reliable and affordable metal detector? Check out our professional metal detector. This device is perfect for anyone hoping to find gold, with its pulse induction search modes and waterproof coil. You can also use the all-metal mode to detect any other metals you may be interested in. Plus, the ground balance feature ensures that you'll get accurate results no matter what kind of terrain you're searching in. This metal detector uses pulse induction to detect gold, making it one of the most accurate metal detectors on the market. The search coil on this detector is also larger than most, making it easier to find gold nuggets. This detector also comes with a 2-year warranty, so you can be confident in its quality. Order now and start finding gold today. With so many great features, this metal detector is a must-have for anyone serious about metal detecting. Number 5. Fisher F22. For those who haven't used a metal detector before, the Fisher F22 weatherproof metal detector is all-purpose and easy to use for both adults and children. Suitable for searching for precious metals, coins, artifacts, and more, this detector's weatherproof construction can withstand inclement weather for searching beaches, forests, and other outdoor areas. This excellent metal detector has a hand grip and arm cup and weighs just 2.3 pounds, so carrying it for long periods should not be an issue. Though this pick is not the cheapest metal detector, it comes with some high-tech features, including an easy-to-read screen with push-button controls for quick discrimination, sensitivity notch, and pinpoint adjustments while metal detecting. Number 4. XP Deus 2. Another machine that got high marks from both of our experts, the XP Deus 2, is the ultimate multi-frequency metal detector, with a price tag to match. The Deus 2 has the edge over several other detectors in terms of speed and versatility. It features a whopping 12 different detection programs for every conceivable terrain, and has an additional 12 open slots for custom scans. It also has collapsible stems, so it's more portable than many other detectors in its class. The XP Deus 2 also comes with a wireless remote control that lets you adjust settings on the fly, and you can fit it with a special plug to bring it underwater. The Deus 2 is rated to dive to 66 feet, making it suitable for some underwater expeditions, wet beaches, and mineralized soil. It's the ultimate upgrade for a veteran, despite its sky-high price tag. Number 3. MLAB Equinox 900. MLab had an absolutely stellar machine in the MLAB Equinox 800 a few years back. They started from there and fixed all the issues and made it the Equinox 900, a much more powerful and better built machine. They added carbon fiber rods to the machine to make it stiffer and folds up much faster and easier. They added a new and better design to the waterproofing to make the machine not have issues when getting dunked. They also fixed the carbon fiber shafts to allow the arm cuff adjustment very easily. Beefing up the coil connection to where you have no issues of breaking is another added plus. This machine has more power than the old 800 and definitely a game changer with the added 6-inch coil that it comes with in addition to the stock 11-inch coil. You can handle any situation with those 2 coils right out of the box. It is a very good iron and trash machine and still can hit small gold nuggets when asked to. Weighing in at 3 pounds, so it's a very lightweight and easy to use machine. We can't recommend this machine enough for all-around metal detecting. Number 2. Garrett Ace 300. Garrett Ace 300 is everything the company has been able to introduce to the metal detecting game during the last decade or so. The model specs are excellent and every little detail here plays its role. With its 0 to 99 scale, the feature offers comprehensive and precise target information. Of course, the feature wouldn't be worth much without the right coil. That's where the 7x10-inch Proformance submersible search coil comes into play. Incorporating increased coil diameter, this not-so-little component is able to offer more coverage and more depth. At the same time, you can make an argument that the model's increased frequency is what really makes the most difference here. It works wonders, providing better sensitivity on low and medium conductivity targets like gold and lead. Among other things, the model features twice the iron resolution compared to its predecessor, and is able to do a much better job overcoming targets masking in iron-laden hunt sites. Number 1. MLab Mantacore. This is by far the best all-around machine we have on the market right now. It is waterproof to 16 feet and has a multi-frequency detector. With a 2D screen, it allows you to see the possible target ID numeric value and where it hits on the ferrous scale, showing you iron and non-ferrous targets in the ground at the same time. This allows you to be much more confident before you dig. A great way to identify coin spills. Mantacore has over 50% more power than the MLAB Equinox series, with still a very fast response. Also, it has enhanced discrimination to allow you to accept or reject targets much more quickly. This machine allows you to hunt a saltwater beach in the morning and go over and hunt a local iron-infested park on the same day without making any big adjustments. This machine can do it all and be the best in the field at it. If you want the best metal detector on the market, the MLab Mantacore is the ticket. You'll never look back with regret and wish you didn't get the best with the Mantacore. When shopping for a metal detector online, knowing where you'll be searching for treasure and what kind of treasure you hope to find is half the battle. Every detector will offer a unique set of features, search modes, and a different degree of user-friendliness. However, getting the best metal detectors is quite challenging when you have plenty of models available on the market with a decent design and innovative features. All the products mentioned above are a perfect blend of versatility and innovation, providing the users the best-in-class experience. Choose wisely which product suits you the best and will fulfill all your requirements. Let us know in the comments which model works for you the best and why. Thank you for watching the video, and that is all for this one. If you find this video helpful in any way, give a huge thumbs up, stay tuned for the upcoming videos by subscribing to our channel. See you guys in the next one.